Rise dirty bongo people, welcome and welcome back to our new returning viewers. And I know this is a new channel, so I'm just showing support by subscribing and make sure to comment because your opinions are valid. Yes, so my viewers, today represents the birthday of Toni-Ann Sing. Today February 1, and on the know say popcorn tune a little seasoning, a little sprinkle, a little seasoning people, and in bossa my type and in the night people. Why? Some of well me about I am a BAT people. Watch it and tell me what you think.
Happy birthday, Toni-Ann Sing.
And I want to send more life to everybody that in the building tonight. It's a special night. It's a special night for not just one, but a lot of people tonight. You know what I'm saying? And I would like to take this opportunity to wish Toni-Ann a happy birthday. I would like to say more life.
Wait for it.
More love and blessing to you. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that is it. Hi, pussy, girl.
People, me have to really laugh when I watch the video. Yeah. Honest to God, Toni-Ann is so proper and classy. So look upon her reaction when him start sing this song. She was all smiles to the people and he sing this song. Mama was like, Lord Jesus, I really this singer sing. Lord, people, you know them type of people there, low key amusing, you know, but you know, like the publicity like that. Anyways, me I call out all of the people them who still in denial. Me I call them to come at the front of the class. You don't need to come at the front of the class today. Me I call upon you because more often you want to still a hold on pan to believe that this is a thing. You no really still no believe said this between Toni-Ann and Popcaan is a thing. Wow, no a wait pan. Come on, because the rest of pitney them in the class, them would like to know, so share on the knowledge.
Happy birthday, Toni-Ann Sing.
And I want to send more life to everybody that in the building tonight. It's a special night. It's a special night for not just one, but a lot of people tonight. You know what I'm saying? And I would like to take this opportunity to wish Toni-Ann a happy birthday. I would like to say more life.
Wait for it.
More love and blessing to you. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that is it. Hi, pussy, girl.
Stick up in. Just one big up Toni-Ann on her birthday today. Yeah, good girl. You have made a significant impact in Jamaica. Honestly, you have made a dream out there that little kids or youth can look up to and say, yeah, I want to be there someday. So big up yourself. You have contributed significantly and, you know, have a nice and prosperous day, a fulfilling day. You were born at the start of a new month, so I wish for you blessings. You know, I hope this month, this year, full of wonderful blessings for you. So just big up your damn self. As I said, you have made Jamaica proud, so big up yourself and continue to follow your dreams.
Toni-Ann Sing, with me angel with all the two wings.